Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy F56 5G, my personal experience, what's great, what's not, and whether it's actually worth your money. So, let's jump right in. Design and build. First things first, Samsung nailed the design on this one. The brushed aluminum-like frame gives it a premium feel, and the clean back with the redesigned camera module makes it look more modern. For a mid-range phone, it genuinely gives off a high-end vibe, which is impressive. Display. The display quality is solid, as expected from Samsung. Colors are vibrant, and with a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels super smooth. However, the bezels are a bit uneven, with a slightly larger chin at the bottom. Not a huge issue, but if you love symmetry, it's something to keep in mind. Performance and battery. Now, let's talk about performance. The Exynos chipset actually holds up quite well. I tested Mobile Legends on max settings, and it ran smoothly with minimal battery drain. However, if you're into heavy games like Genshin Impact, this might not be the best option. As for battery life, it's great, and Samsung has finally improved the charging speeds, now supporting 45W fast charging. It's not as fast as some competitors, but still a big step up. The downside? No charger in the box, so you'll have to buy one separately. Cameras. Now, onto the biggest weak spot, the cameras. The performance is just average for this price range. Colors look neutral, but the details aren't the best, and there's no telephoto lens, so zooming in isn't great. If camera quality is a top priority for you, there are better options available. Haptics and User Experience. Another downside is the haptics. Samsung still hasn't upgraded its vibration motor, and it lacks the crisp feedback you get on other mid-range devices. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's something I noticed while typing. Final thoughts. Should you buy it? So, should you consider the Galaxy F56 5G? Overall, it's a well-built mid-range phone with great design, smooth display, solid performance, and improved charging speeds. But its camera quality and haptics aren't the best. If you're all about camera performance, you might want to look at other options. But if you're after a premium-looking phone with good battery life and decent gaming performance, the Galaxy F56 is worth considering. Would I recommend it? I'd say it's worth shortlisting. While it's not perfect, it might just be the right choice depending on your needs. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.